Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how we can send unlimited messages on WhatsApp step by step by using Python code. So let's move on VS Code. First of all, create a file with .py extension and install PyAutoGI library in your system. So go to terminal and in PowerShell, you can just type here pip3 install PyAutoGI command. If you have already installed PyAutoGI command in your PC, you don't have need to install it again. So this library is already installed in my PC. After removing this, now you have to import all the required modules like import PyAutoGI and import time. So after this, I'm gonna create two variables. The first one is message, in which you can input your message. In this, you can type your message, and the second one is number. It means how many times you want to execute your message. So in last, I'm using for loop for I in range, and just type here number, and the type of number is integer.